wonderful Thursday morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. We need to get into our Google Classroom, and today we are going to sign up for Moodle. When you get into Classroom, look in the stream just like we do every single day. Find the code for our hour. It'll be the very first word that is on the screen, and then copy it, and then simply click the link to visit Moodle. When you get to the Moodle website, sign in with your real school account. I've got a special school account called Kid Harmon, so I am going to sign in. When you do sign in, wait patiently for it to get that to the screen where we can do things. It does take a minute. On the available courses, click the search button and type Harmon, H-A-R-M-O-N. You are either in 6th grade, which is Computers 1, or you're in Modular Technology, which is for 8th graders. Click on that course, and then find the enrollment key box, and then paste that enrollment key I gave you in Classroom. Once you click Enroll Me, and you may have to type it twice like I did, it will let you join my course and take you to this screen where you either see this picture of me if you're in Mod Tech, or you see the startup page for my 6th grade computers course. I am not going to update this password because it thinks the password is the code I just used to sign up for the course, and that would be silly. Once you have signed up for Moodle, make sure your neighbors are successful as well. You can head to the next training movie. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button, and of course if you want to subscribe, you can click subscribe as well. Thanks for watching, friends, and let's get cracking.